You are facing serious allegations. By senior officers, you are appearing before this committee. Later on, you'll be appearing before the commission, where your integrity is under scrutiny. At this point, Minister, before I delve into my questions, what is most important to you? Is it your job? Is it going back into office? What is important to you as you are seated here today?
Well, the most outstanding issue for me that needs serious and urgent attention is to bring down levels of crime in South Africa, especially murder, proliferation of firearms, and the drugs that are all over the country, especially
I'm
in the
sorry,
streets.
Minister, that is not the question that I asked you. I'm not speaking about operational matters right now. I'm saying to you, your credibility is under scrutiny. What is important to you right now in your